Happy Sunday. I don't know when I'm gonna post this, but like whatever. It's your girl Shalicia. I am dyeing my hair today. Midlife crisis as per usual. I am going in with the L'Oreal Excellence High Color for dark hair only. I'm using H7 Sizzling Copper. I'm gonna be doing this at the roots, right? And then for the rest of it, I am gonna be using.
Are you ready yet?
And then, as my daughter saying, if I was ready yet, no, I'm not. But then I'm going to use for the rest of my hair, like the ends, is just the copper. Because why not? Because Sally's had it on like buy 4 get 20% off. So I got another batch for like end of summer. Right? So I'm super excited. I'm going to get mixing. I bought the L'Oreal Developer in the Oreo cream, the 30 volume, because that's all they had in stock. I'm get this mixed and show y'all what we're working with before we get into it. See you in the next clip. So these are what the colors are looking like. This is the Sizzling Copper. And that's just the copper. I think I'm gonna do Sizzling Copper on my roots, I think. Yeah, I think that's what I'm gonna do. We'll see. Super excited. So guys, I am finished applying the color. It's already looking pretty fire. I'm gonna let it sit for 30 minutes, rinse out and come back before I style it. But I'm feeling this color already. Hot girl summer, here we come. So my hair is freshly washed and I'm feeling the color. I like how the roots have like dimension to it. I'm loving it. The ends are like bright. It's completely a vibe. I'll show you what it looks like after the retest.